Last month, a pizza shop owner I worked with made $19,200 extra. He didn't hire any staff. He didn't raise his prices. All he did was fix his missed orders with AI. Today, I'm going to show you every single tool, step by step. And if you stay till the end, I'll reveal the secret tool that 99% of restaurant owners have. Never heard of that. Cuts missed orders by 89%. The hidden problem: the average independent restaurant loses $27,000 per year to missed orders. 68% of people who call and get no answer never call back. 72% of all missed orders happen when your staff is busy on the line, not after hours. No one tells you this. Tier 1, free tools you can launch today. Reveal the industry secret. Every $1, 300-month AI order-taking service like Hyoto or Toast AI is just white-labeled GP mini marked up 150x. I'm going to show you how to build the exact same system for $1.90 a month. Step by step. Open an OpenAI API account, claim a phone number, paste the free prompt I leave in the description. Forward all your restaurant calls to it during peak. Done. Tier 2, $50 or less. Tools that do all the work. The only 3 tools that actually work, not the hype. 1. CallRail AI Auto Text. Texts every missed caller a link to order in 10 seconds. 42% will order. 2. Parrot AI 3. The secret tool. Missed call text back by Go High Level 7-day implementation playbook. Day 1. Forward after hours calls to GPT. Day 3. Turn on auto. Text back for missed calls. Day 7. Roll out AI answering during peak lunch and dinner. Average result: 82% reduction in missed orders in 7 days. Mistakes to avoid: never let the AI up. Never let it say it's an AI. Use a natural human voice. If you need help setting any of this up, call or WhatsApp me anytime at 255-754-825-400. I will even send you the exact prompt I use for free. Make sure you subscribe to AI Masters for more AI hacks that actually make you money.